Привет, YouTube!
Hello guys and welcome to different Russia channel. We are in Reutov city, Moscow region, very close to MKAD and very close to Novokosino metro station. Here is a new neighborhood, as you may see. Very new building. And we are here because Alex has a new project. Alex has a friend and his friend bought a flat here. And Alex will be helping him with the renovation of this flat. A very big apartment complex here. Approximately 800 apartments here. And we can't find the apartment that we need. So guys, we enter with you the building, and here is a big hall that is for post. If you get some magazines or newspapers or letters, that is the place for the security. Yeah, it is closed at the moment. So, concierge. Пошли. Не, нам поближе. So guys, the elevator doesn't work at the moment. And we need to find the staircase. That's a problem. So guys, it's a problem to find the staircase because the elevator doesn't work at the moment. It worked 5 minutes ago, but not now. And here is the staircase. Alex took some tools with him, and today, the task for today is just to have a look and to take the measurements. So, because we need to know the exact size of the apartment. A little bit of training, that is always great. Yeah? Some practice. Now guys, I do not practice much, only from time to time. But honestly speaking, that is not enough. That is why when I have time to walk, I always prefer to walk instead of go by car, for example, or go by bus. So guys, we leave the building with you and go to some public balcony. Wow, what a view, guys. Alex, wait for me. So guys, we shall definitely explore this new neighborhood with you. Here is a very big shopping center, Reutov Park, and here under the windows some football field, kindergarten, what else? So nothing else. And we enter with you the building again. So, what do we see here? The place for garbage, but I think it doesn't work at the moment. Here are some cables. I think that is for internet. And here is the electricity box. This one is open, and this one is open. Ah, they are all open, guys. So that's how the electricity meter looks like. We usually have two tariffs, for night and for the day. If you do not like it, you may take one tariff, that is during the whole day you pay the exact sum of money. But if you choose some tariff with differences, night and day, at night you pay less and during the daytime you pay a little bit more. Here, guys, there are three elevators, small one and a cargo elevator, a big one. And guys, we are with you inside the apartment. Unfortunately, there are no lamps here. It is just empty, without anything. That's how the flat looks like. The size of the flat is approximately 30 square meters. It is very, very small. It is called studio. The kitchen is combined with the living room here, so only one room is here. It is the living room, the dining room, the study, I don't know. Everything is in one room. And also here is a balcony. A balcony, guys, is pretty big. Approximately 1 meter this way, and let's count 1, 2, about 3 meters this way. So approximately 3 square meters. A pretty big balcony. And the view from the window, let's check it. So guys, Nosovikhinskaya highway is just under the windows. That is the car shop, car dealer shop, Nissan, and a filling station. If I'm not mistaken, that is Tatneft or BP. I do not see it from here, honestly speaking. So guys, today we have to take the measurements and then Alex will draw a plan of this flat, of this apartment, and he will be thinking about the project, what to do here, because he will be the big boss here. Alex, please show us what is in this dark room. Покажи, что тут в темноте. That is, guys, the bathroom and the toilet, the place for it. Nothing here, guys, as you may see. At the moment. Yeah. Ventilation, guys. Держи, Леша, фонарик. Да? The battery works, guys, that is great.